explain what I actually do here in Puerto Plata. I don't run tours, and I don't actually sell real estate. I still go back to the States once a month, but I live here full time, about a block from the beach. I say about because it's a block and then a piece of a block. And over time, I've built relationships with developers, independent agents, translators, and people who actually make things move. What I can help with is clarity. Before you make expensive decisions, a lot of people come to the Dominican Republic, especially Puerto Plata, with good intentions. They watch videos, they talk with agents, and then when they get here, everything seems to be fine until they realize they don't actually understand how things work on the ground. So what I do is simple. I help people see the difference in what looks good online and what actually makes sense in real life, whether that's for living, for investing, or a mix of both. For example, when people look at properties like this, the questions just aren't about price. It's location logic, walkability, noise levels, resale reality, legal structure. I'm no lawyer, let's get that straight, but I know lawyers and how foreigners really experience the day-to-day life here. I'm not paid to push deals. I'm not tied to any one developer or real estate agent. My role is to help people avoid mistakes and to make decisions with their eyes wide open. Sometimes that means confirming that a property makes sense. Other times, it might mean telling someone to walk away. If you're someone that's already coming to Puerto Plata, whether it's for business, entertainment, vacation, or even events like the Super Bowl for the weekend, I can help you use that time intelligently. No pressure, no hype, just context. Real introductions, real conversations. If that's valuable to you, we can talk. And if not, that's fine too.
Everyone can come here.
Mira eso.
Jacuzzi.
Mira eso, qué bello. ¿Sabes?
Excelente.
Yes.
Si quieres ver montaña, ve montaña.
You want to watch the mountain, there's a mountain. You want to watch the ocean, there's an ocean. Everything here.
Mira. Y lo más bonito, piscina.
And the most beautiful, the pool.
Para tomarte birra.
Take some beer.
Ahí sentadito ahí. Mira eso. ¿Ah?
Excelente.
Excelente. ¿Te gusta? Beautiful, ¿verdad?
Muy bonito.
Yes.
Ah, bueno.
It's like I knew that, didn't you?
The first and the second is going to be 370.
370,
Yeah.
first and second, third and fourth.
Okay.
For what, 20?
420.
420.
Yeah.
Y'all know what 420 is in
Yes.
the US?
Yes.
Mira que